Hi, I'm Krista,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and we're Farmhouse Roscoe.
Today's DIY is a Dollar Tree Farmhouse Christmas snowman. We're going to start with a piece of foam board, and I started with 2 of the rings from the 3D Reforms in 2 different sizes, and I'm going to use these rings as a stencil to make the body and the head of the snowman. And then I just used an X-Acto knife to cut the shape out. And then I took 6 packs of the nautical rope and 3 packs of the soft white rope, all from Dollar Tree, and just started hot gluing them around the snowman shape. Now I'm just going to let you watch and see how the snowman came together. Once I had all the nautical rope on the snowman, now I'm going to work on the snowman's face. And I just took some burlap and cut out a carrot nose and 5 circles for the eyes and his buttons on his belly. And I just used some orange and black chalk paint, and I mixed a little Mod Podge in with the paint and coated the nose and the buttons. To make him more sturdy, I added 2 paint sticks to the back of the snowman. Next, I used some ribbon to make his scarf. And then I decided to use these flocked floral picks for his arms. Now we're going to work on his hat. And I had some burlap that I got from Hobby Lobby at 40% off. I just wrapped some around his head to measure for size. And then I just hot glued the raw edges together. Then I just turned the burlap inside out and folded up one edge to make it look like the brim of the hat. Next, I just took some twine and wrapped it around the top of the hat. And then I just glued the hat into place. And now I'm just going to hot glue his eyes and buttons and his nose and the rest of the embellishments to his hat. And then I just made a hanger for the back out of nautical rope and stapled it into place. And here he is, all finished. He is so adorable. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our little farmhouse snowman. And make sure to check out our other Christmas videos down in the description box. And once again, thank you for watching. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for your support.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.